Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to walk through how to customize the branding for your MyKiosk app. Branding lets you personalize your catalog with your company name, logo, and colors, so your MyKiosk app looks and feels like your brand on every tablet. First, log into your MyKiosk Dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Custom Branding. This is where you control the appearance of your MyKiosk catalog across all devices. At the top of the page, you'll see a live preview showing how your changes will look in the MyKiosk app. The first field is Company Name. This name appears as your kiosk title inside the MyKiosk app and in the dashboard. If needed, you can update it here, and the preview will reflect the change. Next is Company Logo Image. Click Upload Logo and select your logo file. For best results, use a transparent PNG cropped closely to the edges of your logo. Once uploaded, your logo will appear in the app header and update instantly in the preview. Next, you'll see Header Bar Background Color. This controls the color of the top bar behind your logo. Below that is Header Bar Text Color, which controls the text shown in the header. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can set the text color to match the background color to hide it. Moving down, you'll find Body Background Color. This is the main background color of the MyKiosk app. Below that is Body Text Color, which controls the product title and main text color throughout the app. Choosing colors with good contrast will make your catalog easier to read on tablets and kiosks. Next is Accent and Button Color. This color is used for buttons, highlights, and accent lines throughout the MyKiosk app. This is a great place to use your primary brand color. If you want a faster setup, you can use the Quick Design Preset option. Choose a preset, then click Apply Preset to color fields to automatically populate the color settings. You can still fine-tune individual colors afterward if needed. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Your branding updates will automatically sync to all MyKiosk tablet devices. If a device is offline, the changes will appear the next time it reconnects. And that's a wrap! That's how easy it is to customize your MyKiosk branding. You can come back to this page anytime to update your logo, adjust colors, or refresh your look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.